In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to download and install Microsoft Teams on your Mac. It's a quick and simple process, so let's jump right in. First, go ahead and open your web browser. You can use Safari, Chrome, Edge, or any browser you prefer. Now in the search bar, type Microsoft Teams and press Enter. From the results, click on the official Microsoft website. It should say something like Video Conferencing Meetings Calling, Microsoft Teams. Make sure you're on the official site to avoid downloading anything unsafe. Once you're there, look for the Download Teams button, usually at the top right corner, and click on it. You'll be taken to the download page. Now click on Download Teams for Mac, and the file will start downloading automatically. Just give it a few seconds to finish. When the download is complete, open your Downloads folder and double-click the Teams installer file. The installation window will pop up. Click Continue, then Continue again, and after that, click Install. At this point, your Mac will ask for your password. Just enter it and click Install Software. Now wait a moment for the installation to complete. Once it's done, click Close, and you can choose to move the installer to the bin to keep things clean. After that, Microsoft Teams should open automatically, but if it doesn't, no worries. Here's what to do. Go ahead and open Finder, then click on Applications from the left-hand side. Scroll down until you find Microsoft Teams, and simply double-click on it to launch the app. From there, just sign in with your Microsoft account, and you're good to go. And that's it. You've successfully installed Microsoft Teams on your Mac, and you're ready to start using it for meetings, work, or classes. If this video helped you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more simple and helpful tutorials.